So here we are currently in Kings Beach up at Lake Tahoe. It's January 6th. The winter storm has come. It's been snowing since about 10 a.m. It's currently a little after 2. As you can see, the visibility is kind of poor. Not a lot of traffic at the moment. And it's definitely snowing. Yeah, definitely a few inches at least. They said there was supposed to be a foot of snow this weekend. Gonna be snowing for a little while longer. Yeah, if you're planning on coming up here, there should be some snow next week as well. Bring chains or a four-wheel drive car. It's not as much over here on North Lake Boulevard, but some of the streets a little higher definitely have more snow. Have a good one.